Welcome to Learning Unit number 1. We're going to learn the Drupal development fundamentals. In this unit, we will cover 7 key concepts. We'll be acquainted with the Drupal framework. We'll understand Drupal's page call process. We'll realize which object-oriented programming concepts we need to be familiar with. We'll examine the practice of model view controller and how this applies to routing within Drupal. Next, we'll study the concept of services and the services container. And then we'll get introduced to hooks and plugins in Drupal. And finally, we'll understand the importance of Drupal coding standards and the necessity of proper code formatting. As we go through this unit, we're going to cover a lot of material. And I'm going to give you a lot of external resources that you may want to look at if you're new to a topic, especially in the areas of object-oriented programming. The great thing with a video course like this is that you can pause, go, and look and study those external resources and then come back to these videos. I encourage you to do that. Let's get going.